Hello my lovely people, welcome back. This is my first video for the new year. So today guys, if you're new to my channel, do also like, follow and subscribe. If you're new, welcome back. Without further ado, you already know the topic. So this topic is just like how to create a vision board. You and I know that some people know how to do a vision board, some don't know how to do a vision board. So today I'm going to share with you how you can make a vision board if you don't really know how to make it. So there are many ways of starting a year, starting up a new year. There are many ways. It's just like writing out a plan or what you want, and some people write down what they want. That is in form of scripting. If you want me to go into depth with it, you should comment. Then some people just write have a vision board. A vision board is mainly like a picture of what you want for the year. It can come that year, might not come that year, but it's like a vision board of what you expect or what you want, what you really want to achieve or what you want to see. Vision board can be anything, it can be different things. So I'm going to go to online, and I'm going to look at a vision board of someone who posted a vision board, and I will use it to explain to you how you can make your own vision board. So remember, vision boards are not just what you have achieved already or what other people has achieved. When you see someone else's vision board, that doesn't mean that you should wish it for yourself, except if you like what you see there. You can definitely wish, because these are like ideas. Especially now I'm trying to look for a vision board of someone, and I'm trying to say, okay, this vision board is nice. It's something that, okay, you may like, when you see something, be like, oh my god, I think I would like this in my life. I think I would like this. It's just like having an idea of something, an image of something, and be like, oh, I would like to have this, I would like to have that, I would like to have this. Okay, so definitely I went online and I saw this vision board. So I'm going to use it as an example of what you should expect if you're trying to build a vision board. Your vision board can be bigger than this. Okay, it can be bigger than this. You can make anything. And remember, vision board can be changed. All right, it's not something that if you've done it, because of you've done it for that reason, it's going to be like that. No, it's something that you can't change. So what you have to do first is, I think you should write down what you want. Definitely write it down so that you have an idea of the pictures you should be seeking for. The second thing is to go online to search what you want, and search of something similar, like realistic to you. Why I say realistic is maybe sometimes vision board can be unrealistic things, definitely. But why I say realistic things is what you really want. Okay, what you really want. What are good, positive things. All right, positive things. Get a magazine. If you don't want to go online to print it out, get a magazine, cut it out, get a paste, get a scissors, and colors, different colors, and definitely you have to start placing them one by one. So in this page, I'm putting up this young lady's vision board. The first thing there is a roller coaster. That means she wants to go on a museum with family, and under it there is roller coaster with family, meaning that she wants to have a trip, go to a museum park with her family. Okay, sometimes when they put in family, they will just add maybe the mom, the dad, kids. And if it's someone that you're not married and you want marriage, you put a marriage, maybe a wedding gown, a ceremony, or maybe an engagement ring, something like that. Okay, the next thing on her vision board was written trips. So in the picture, it's written, you see a man looking on the sea and everything. So it's almost like on a journey. So some people put something like this, or you can also put a flight ticket, or a plane, or people in the airport, something like that. Okay, so in her vision board, she wrote no drama. No drama means nothing to like discourage you, you know, just everything smooth, you making good decisions, you know. You can put no drama, you can put easy life and all those things, more or less. So next thing, it's like her and some friends smiling and watching something. So it's almost like happiness and joy. That was the reason of no drama. Happiness, more joy, more happiness, more. You will see she wrote more. That's more of the joy under her friends. So the other one is like social media. She pasted less of it. So if you're someone that you want to go viral, you want to be in the social lifestyle, you want to be visible, I think on social media you might put more visibility, more expansion on my social networks. So next one was help the community. Okay, this is part of like having an NGO, or like you want to give back to your community what has been given to you. So you can put it there, having the resources to give back to the community, having the good connection, so that you would definitely meet the people you need to give, not just to like give, but you really give people that will appreciate, who will use it. You don't just go there and say you want to give to people and you don't have the resources. They will just be like looking at you. So having enough resources, not just having the resources, having enough resources, so that if you give out and it's not enough, you can definitely like, you know, get and make another, like give more. Okay, or maybe you went to give out and you felt like, oh my god, you need to do more, you do more, just like like having more resources to do more. Okay, I think in her vision board, she wanted to learn how to play the trumpet. So she pasted it. So anything you want to like achieve, if you want to maybe learn how to drive a car, or maybe you want to learn how to bake, or you want to learn how to finish a novel, write a novel, you can put up a novel, write maybe finish up my novel, or maybe you want to be published, or you want to have a TV show or a podcast show, or you want to like grow your channel, grow a business, you put it there, grow my business, call the name of your business. Okay, now let's keep on working towards her vision board. Next thing here is called discovery. Discovery is almost like adventure, you know, finding new things, opportunities, definitely. So if you're someone that wants those things, you should write it down. What type of opportunity also do you want? You know, you can just like have a little bit of ideas. And yeah, she put up a ship. That means she would like to have a ship. That means there will be like a ship adventure, you know, ship traveling, boat ride, maybe boat trip, or maybe boat cruise, maybe a cruise trip, something like that, which is very fantastic. So there was a money image where maybe it's like, if you're someone that you spend a lot and you want to save, okay, you want a year of saving, you want to have more than enough to save, definitely you can put a sign of money, or a sign, or maybe point out the money, more savings, more income, more opportunities. All right. So, and also there is an image of a car. You can print out any type of car you want. Just look for the car. Even if you think you cannot buy that car, get the picture of that car and put and write. I love here it wrote owned, like you can write it my car. Okay, my car, and that is beautiful. So there's something called here happy. It's almost like you're bringing out happiness in your life. There is new, so new pets. There's an image of a dog and a parrot. So if you want something new, like new anything, you want to have a new apartment, you want to have new friends, you should put it down there. New friends, new loving friends, new good friends, new soul friends that will be good for my growth, especially something like that. Pets, if you want any pets, if you want a cat, a dog, what have you, you know, the type of pets, have the image of it and put. And yeah, so now it's almost like super career. So from this image, like there is a lawyer, or is it a judge image, okay, and a chemist. So it's up to you. What is your career? What is your career? So if you're a doctor, you want to be a doctor, you want to acquire a PhD or a master's, or you want to be a registered, you know, practitioner, you get an image of a registered practitioner and put it there and said my career. Okay, then here it's fashion. If definitely for a lady, you You can put on, if you're someone that doesn't go with acrylics, makeups, you don't really do all those things, and you want to start it, losing weight, there is here called fitness. If you want to have fit, you can have an image of a model or a fitness model and put it there and have it in your mindset. So play outside. So this is like a picture of kids playing. So if you want your kids to have friends and play outside, this is also, you make an image of it and put down there your work. You put in what you want to work, increase in your career. Here there's like work, increase in career and everything. So now there is also like graduation. If you haven't, like, you're still in school, you can put your graduation, you can put your grades, your GPA, something you want, how you want to graduate, the number, your GPA, you want to come out with first class, second class, 2-1 or 2-2. You put it down there. Then your meals, the type of meal you want to eat healthy. If you don't want to eat healthy, you can put it there. New business adventures, so many things. If you're seeking for political offices, you put it. If you want to live in a new city or new country or anywhere, you want your family to also, you can also manifest, put pictures for your family. You want whatever you want to see in their lives, jobs, opportunity, marriage, family. You can put it all in this vision board and put it. And when you make your vision board, when you're done with it, remember, you just like make it look so beautiful, so that whenever you see it, you feel the urge or the happiness, the energy to feel like, oh my God, when I have this, I'm about to, or I'm going, like, I'm definitely having this. Okay. Make it so beautiful, and you can keep it aside or keep it where you always see it. Sometimes it's not always advisable to keep it where people would see it. Just keep it where that you alone, I think, would definitely see it and always send in good energy towards it. Yes. So that is how to make your vision board. Vision boards, what you should not put on your vision board. Now I'm going to say what you should not put on your vision board. I think I should make a video about what you should not put on your vision board. So that is all you have to do. That literally what to do. Okay, so guys, that's all I have to say to you guys today. So bye, and I wish you the best on your vision board. See you guys. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to like. Remember to comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.